Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy. In this GPAT 2022 Medical Recruitment Board, Railway Recruitment Board and Employee State Insurance Corporation examination and Drug Inspector examination revision point of view, today we are going to discuss about 5 important multiple choice type questions from the topic fibers. The first question: technique used for the separation of long and short fibers from the cotton, that is called as dash. Ginning process is the correct answer, because here we are separating the long fibers and short fibers. The fibers having long length, I mean the lengthy fibers are used for the preparation of cotton cloth and short fibers are used for the linters. Okay, then drying, bleaching and purification are the wrong answers, because these three options are not related with that ginning process. Okay, after ginning process only we may be doing these methods. Okay, so ginning process is the correct answer. The question is separation of long and short fibers from the cotton is called as ginning process. Then question number 2: which method of sterilization is used in absorbent cotton? So usually absorbent cotton is sterilized by radiation sterilization, especially by using gamma radiation. So the radiation sterilization, gamma radiation is the correct answer. So formaldehyde, that is chemical method of sterilization. Autoclave, that is moist heat sterilization. Hot air oven, that is dry heat sterilization, are not the correct answers, because if you are applying hot air oven means that will be burned. Then if you are using the autoclave means the moisture will be entered in the cotton. Then if you are using formaldehyde now, sometimes it might produce some irritation. So the correct method of sterilization of absorbent cotton is radiation sterilization, especially the absorbent cotton will be sterilized by using gamma radiation. So radiation sterilization is the correct method of sterilization of absorbent cotton. Then question number 3: which one of the drug is not obtained from the plant source? So here cotton, flax, banana and nylon, 4 options have been mentioned. So from that 4 option, cotton, flax and banana, these are the plant fibers. Then the flax, the nylon, it is the artificial fiber. So the correct option is nylon, because our question is which one of the drug is not obtained from the plant fiber. So not obtained means other than plant fibers they have asked. So the correct option is nylon. Okay, cotton, Gossypium herbaceum, Malvaceae family. Flax, Linum usitatissimum, and banana, Malvaceae family, from the Musa paradisiaca plant. Okay, so the question number 4 is, then the question number 4: example of Malvaceae family drug is dash. In previous question we may have discussed about some biological names, no? So Ovis aracilin, it is belonging to Bovidae family. Then Cannabis sativa and Cannabis indica, that is hemp, it is belonging to Cannabinaceae family. And Gelidium amansi, that is belonging to Gelidaceae family. Then Gossypium herbaceum and Gossypium barbadensis, both species are coming under Malvaceae family. Here the Gossypium herbaceum, it is indicating the absorbent cotton. Gelidium amansi, it is indicating the agar. Cannabis sativa, it is indicating the plant fiber hemp. And Ovis aracilin, it is indicating the gelatin, as well as in this question it is indicating the wool fiber. Our correct option is Gossypium herbaceum. Then question number 5: which one of the drug is not belonging to Bovidae family? So lanolin, it is wool fat, it is belonging to Bovidae family. Silk, it is belonging to silk fiber, Bombycidae family. Then wool ovis Araicillin from Bovidae family. Then gelatin sponge, that also ovis Araicillin from Bovidae family. So our correct answer is not belonging to Bovidae family means silk fiber, because it is belonging to Bombycidae family. Okay, so the wool fiber, wool fat and gelatin, these three are coming under same family and the same biological name. Silk is coming under different biological name and different family, that is called as Bombycidae. So the correct answer is silk, because it is not coming under Bovidae family. These are the 5 important questions discussed in this session. Okay, dear students, dear friends, dear viewers, all of you prepare well for your RRB examination, MRB examination, ESIC examination, DI and GPAT 2022 examination. All the best wishes for your brightful, successful future and successful GPAT qualification in 2022. Then we are wishing once again all the dear friends, அருள் பேராற்றல் கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீண்ட ஆயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர் புகழ், மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்க. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். அருள் பேராற்றல் இரவும் பகலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும், எல்லா தொழில்களிலும், எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் உறுதுணையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழிநடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. தேங்க்யூ.